Welcome to the QuakeWrap Synthetex training video. When grout is pumped into Synthetex, the material does shrink as it contracts over time. Trenches are used to anchor the Synthetex into place. Earthworks are required if vegetation is present. Large rocks need to be removed, as well as all uneven surfaces must be smoothed over. If water is present, remove as much as possible. This allows for a much easier and cleaner installation of the Synthetex. Geofabric is used to minimize the possibility of the Synthetex material being punctured from sharp objects when being either dragged or carried into place. When unrolling the material, ensure the top of the fabric is facing up. The black seams on the zipper indicate the underside of the Synthetex fabric. Once in position, pull Synthetex tight and square. Upon delivery on material, ensure the correct panels are in the correct position. See engineering drawings as a reference. Zipping of two sections together is simple. Use the zips provided, square out the material and start by zipping the bottom closed. Work your way along the zip and repeat this process for the top layer. The panels have now been zipped together, leaving the ends needing to be sewn shut. Use industrial sewing machine to close this gap. Cutting around objects, bridges or pipes. Simply cut out the required section and stitch them together with a minimum of 2 times stitching required. When an incision for an injection port needs to be made, use scissors and cut the top layer of fabric only. Please make sure the injection port is cut just big enough to fit the nozzle. When infill material arrives, ensure a spotter is used to direct the truck into an ideal position. A flow test is done to monitor the flowability of the grout. A minimum of one person is required on the injection nozzle at all times. Concrete floats are ideal tools used to smooth sections and maneuver grout before it stabilizes. One person is required to remove the injection nozzle, and one other person is required to plug injection holes using rags or geofabric.